Hey guys, good morning. Oh, good afternoon. Sorry, it's afternoon. So I wanted to jump on here quick and just suggest and hope that somebody's going to be brave and start off on our Cup Runneth Over team page, that we would start doing some product reviews or some product recommendations. This is going to be really fun and exciting and kind of get people interested in new products outside of the kit. And so what I'm hoping is that each one of you will at least one time during the month, but I'm hoping that we can all do it a few times this month, that we would get on our team page and either do a video where we're talking about the product, maybe share a couple tips how we use it, maybe why we like it, or what we replaced, what we had before that now we're using now. And you may have to do a little digging just to see, like, maybe what you were using before had some toxic chemicals in it, and now Young Living's product that you're using doesn't. And so you could share a little bit about that, or maybe it has a special ingredient or a special smell or something that you can just share. You don't have to do a ton of research or feel like you have to go overboard knowing everything about the product. It's more about your story. It's more about why you love it and why you would recommend it to a friend. And I always tell people, you can either do a post with a picture, and pictures, your own pictures really speak volumes. So if you can take a cute picture, maybe take a little time and put your product somewhere and take a cute picture of it and then do a write-up on it, that's going to go a lot farther than, taking a picture off of Google that somebody else took, or like a salesy looking picture. It's always better when you do like a personal picture. And you can do this on your wall too, and maybe make more of a story about it, like, oh, I love this product, but make it into a story so it's not salesy or not sales pitchy. It's just like, this is my life and this is what I use, Using oil should be, oh, thank you. I did eyeliner. I'm learning how to do, Sunny just said my makeup looks awesome. I'm learning how to do mineral makeup eyeliner, and I've never done eyeliner before, so this is all new. This is all new to me. But thank you. It's Savvy Minerals makeup. I really like it. I should do a product recommendation of Savvy Minerals makeup. What was I saying? I don't know. Anyway, either do a video or do a post. Videos usually get more attention. So if you're brave and you want to do a little video or go live in the Cup Runneth Over page with your product pick, I would love that. But this is going to create excitement and momentum and get your people looking outside of the starter kit and being like, that sounds like something I might need to get in my life, right? So I hope that you guys will start to kick that off. I know I plan to do one soon, and I would love to see you guys sharing on the team page. So hope you guys are so far enjoying the mustard seed challenge, and you're starting to get pumped up to share about this awesome, healthy wellness lifestyle with your peeps and build your team up. So, all right, guys, have a great day. Bye.